How to raise a child who loves the Prophet, nurturing deep emotional love for Rasulullah from early childhood. Do your children know about the Prophet, or do they love him? Let's raise hearts that beat with love for Rasulullah through daily connection, stories, and soulful practice. Why love for the Prophet matters. The Prophet said, "None of you will truly believe until I am more beloved to him than his child, his father, and all of mankind." Bukhari. This love is not just emotion, it's a gateway to faith, character, and connection to Islam. Make the Seerah come alive daily. Storytelling is powerful. Share stories of the Prophet like you would a hero, a role model, a beloved. Make them emotional, joyful, and relatable. Tips. Use simple Seerah books or draw while telling stories. End each story with a heartfelt moment. Can you imagine how kind he was? Use storytime voice, sound effects, and emotion. Connect emotions to the Prophet. Make your child feel what the Prophet felt. Talk about his tears, his laughter, his gentleness. Ask reflective questions. How do you think the Prophet felt when the people were mean to him? How do you think he stayed so kind? Tip: pause and reflect during stories to spark empathy. Bring the Prophet into daily life. Children learn by watching. Live the Prophet's character, his akhlaq, in your home. Examples. Smile first and say, "This is the Sunnah." Say Bismillah and remind them, Rasulullah loved to start with Allah. Help a sibling and say, "This is how the Prophet helped others." Indeed, in the Messenger of Allah, you have a beautiful example. Surah Al-Ahzab 3. Use salawat and symbols of love. Let love fill their ears and hearts. Play nasheeds about the Prophet. Say salawat often as a family. Even drawing the Prophet's sandal with reverence can nurture a visual symbol of love. Tips. Morning or bedtime nasheed routine. Salawat before meals or when leaving the house. Sandal craft or coloring, plus I love the Prophet posters. You don't have to do everything. Just do one thing every day that brings your child closer to Rasulullah. A story, a salawat, a character moment. This love is a seed that will grow with every touch of your heart. Raise a child who knows him, loves him, follows him. Subscribe for more heart-led Islamic parenting videos.